little green gremlin got into.
Hello?
Hi, Percy! Where are my coaches?
Oh, sorry, Gordon. I'm fetching them now.
Well, hurry up. My passengers are waiting.
I can't find them.
You what?
I can't find them. There's only trucks.
What do you mean there's only trucks?
I mean, there's only trucks.
Well, then get out of the truck siding.
Alright. No need to shout. There's just more trucks.
What do you mean there's more trucks?
There's just more trucks.
Go into the next sighting.
There's still trucks.
Where are you right now?
I'm at trucks.
What do you mean you're at trucks?
I mean, I'm at trucks.
What shunting yard are you in?
I'm at the truck shunting yard.
Why are you fetching the express coaches at the truck shunting yard?
Screw you.
Dirty Percy!
Don't go. Oh.
Oh my god!
Don't call me Dirty Percy!